following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
We wear a fragrance to feel attractive and be attractive to others, right? And that's what my fragrance is all about.
Wow. Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, again, this is Max & Sons Perfume and I am unboxing the Tease by Paris Hilton. So this by Paris Hilton, let's unbox it. I guess you can see here. Alright, Tease by Paris Hilton. Okay, Tease by Paris Hilton is floral fragrance for women. Wow! This was launched in 2010. The nose behind this fragrance is Steve Demercado. Notes are, top notes I should say, are red apple, peach and bergamot. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine and frangipani. Base notes are sand, woodsy notes and amber. Okay, so it's amber. So let's try to open it. Okay, like that. We are unboxing it. Okay. It's hard to unbox. Okay, like this. Okay, so we remove the plastic already. Look at the box. Okay, so this is the box. Alright, so this is, and this is the bottom of the box, and we are going to open now. Alright, how to open? So it's not okay. Oh, so the opening, in here. Okay, because it's new. Alright. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. It looks so gorgeous. The bottles looks so gorgeous. So look at inside the box. Okay, you can see the Tease was engraved over here. Alright, so this is Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton is my, my former girlfriend. I wish I was. Okay, and we try to open it. Okay, we try to open. Okay, and we open it. Alright, then we will try to spray it. Ooh, the smell is good. Oh, I like it. It's sweet. It's sweet. It's really good. So we try to use it later. Okay, so this is the, okay, my personal thing is like, the smell is like bubble gummy, but I think it's quite a little bit, it's not strong, it's mild actually, but it has an attitude of it. So it's like really a good perfume also. And the bottle is good. It's the color is like I don't know what's color. I forget the color of this one. Purple. And so the main accords is like white floral, tuberose tuberose, fruity, floral, sand, animalic, citrus, woody, sweet, and tropical. So it's like really nice also. So okay, so this part is the code. It's not just it's really important, but you need to see. Okay, so that's it. So this is the Tease by Paris Hilton, and we put inside the box again, and we cover it up like this. Okay, and I think this is a good packaging presentation also. Good. Okay, so this is Tease by Paris Hilton. So if you want to buy this one, you can send a message to Max & Sons Parfum. Okay, alright, so that's it. Okay, and have a good one, guys. See you again in my next video, and then don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. See ya.
We wear a fragrance to feel attractive and be attractive to others, right? And that's what my fragrance is all about.
Wow. Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.